Hey guys, welcome in this video. I hope that all of you are doing great. So in this video, what we're going to talk about are the 3 tips to grow your small trading account in 2022. So I'm really excited to talk about this simply because I think a lot of you guys, have a relatively small trading account, and that's perfectly fine, right? We all start there. But the point that I want to share with you guys is how to grow this trading account to a much bigger one in 2022 and how you can achieve your goals of doing this. So just before that we start, as always guys, don't forget to leave a like under the video. I would really appreciate it. I'm super motivated this year to keep creating content for you guys and to bring as much value as possible on the table. So make sure you drop a like for that, and also don't forget to be subscribed to the channel if it's not already done. All right, so let's get right into it. I don't want to waste any time. So how to grow your small trading account? I'm going to give you guys, as I said, 3 important points that you need to work on. So first of all, the first thing that you have to focus on is to build a trading system. So a repeatable strategy that you will use to take all your trades, all right? Now, one of the main mistakes that I see, very often from new traders is that, they will just kind of wake up in the morning, they will look at the chart, they will do their analysis, and they will take a trade here and there for, technical reasons, right? But it's not going to be really systematic. It's not going to be a process. It's going to be a lot more random. And so they will win, they will lose, they will win, they will lose. At the end of the day, right, it's going to be pretty much break even, and it's not really going to help you scale to the next level if you want. So what you should really do instead is focus on building a system that makes sense. So using fundamentals and technicals, and having strict rules in place so that all your trades are going to look very much the same. And so that's the idea, right? If you look at the trades that I take, if you look at the analysis that I post sometimes on Instagram and stuff like that, or on YouTube, you'll see that a lot of my trades are looking the same. I use the same technical indicators, I use the same fundamental analysis. Like, it's always the same. It's just a system that I repeat, and that is really what helps me get consistent results over the long term. So that is really, really important, right? Focus on building a system that you can repeat, and over time this system will make money if it's profitable. So that's the first tip. The second thing that you need to focus on is that if you have a small trading account, it's a very good idea to put more money into the account every single month until that you reach bigger numbers. So let's say that you have, $2,000 in your account, right, to start with. Well, what you should probably do is get a job on the side, or start a business, right? Whatever, and just start to make money and accumulate money, save it, and then put it into your trading account. And it doesn't have to be big, like you could do this with $500 every single month. And so at the beginning, if you are able to put just a bit more money every single month into your account, it's going to make a massive difference, because keep in mind the compound interest, right? If you make 100% growth on a $2,000 account, you just made $2,000. But if you do this on a $5,000 or on a $10,000 account, you've just made already a lot more money, even if you grew the account by the same number. So it's really important to understand that the longest period to get to bigger numbers is really the beginning. It's the first stage, if you want. And so it's really in this phase that what you have to do is focus on putting more money into the account so that you can skip this first phase if you want, and just reach your goals faster than what you could have been able to do if you don't put more money into the account. So get another source of income on the side. Try to save as much money as you can, and then use that money to put into your account. I'm telling you guys, it's really going to be powerful. It's going to make all the difference. At the end of the year, you will have a lot more money into your account if you can do this successfully. And then the third tip I want to share with you guys today is simply that keep in mind that if you have a small trading account, it's going to take quite some time to grow it to bigger numbers, right? Like, you're not going to achieve, your dream account number in 2 months, right? Like, it's going to be a lot longer. It's going to take probably at least a couple of years, right? So you have to be really patient, okay? So what you should do, and what your goal should be in 2022, is to grow it as big as you can, right? But realize that you might not reach your whole, dream account and your dream everything, right? you know, in a couple of months, right? Like it's going to probably take longer than this, because if you start with a very small account, you need to be realistic with, you know, the results that you are expecting, right? Like you need to look at things from the truth. You know, it's great to dream, it's great to have goals and aspiration and stuff like that, but at the same time, you need to balance all of this with actually being realistic and what you can achieve. Okay, so you know, you need to understand that if you start with a small account, you can grow it quite a lot. You can increase that number, you know, pretty nicely during the year. You can really, you know, approach yourself from your goals, but you might not reach you know, massive numbers right at the end of the year if you start really small, and that's perfectly normal, right? You just have to be patient. You just need to really, you know, focus and stick to the process, right? Like I've been trading for 6 years, okay? So it took me 6 years to get to the level that I am today. So it's not going to take you 2 months to get to the same level, right? I mean, it's perfectly normal. It's just logic, but you really have to, you know, keep this in mind. And never forget on a daily basis that you are working toward those goals, even if sometimes it seems far away, even if it seems discouraging. Just keep in mind that this time that you have in your hands, it's going to pass anyway, right? So what you should do is simply optimize that time, right? And focus to get the best results possible as fast as possible, right? That's the goal. But at the same time, balancing this, you know, this want of success, right, with the idea of being patient. So if you can take these two extreme ideas, if you want, and put them together, it will make you very, very powerful. So you have to be very productive, focus, and get things done on a daily basis. But at the same time, you need to keep this idea of really being patient over the long term. And so if you take these two things, as I said, put them together, it's going to make you super strong, you know, like that's the mindset that I've been on since the beginning. And I'm telling you guys, it really, you know, gives amazing results if you take it seriously. So these were the 3 tips I wanted to share with you guys today. So pretty short video, right? I don't think I need to go any longer. So I really got to the point, share with you guys, you know, this. I think it can bring a lot of value to you guys. And if you actually apply this, I'm telling you, your results will get much better, and you will see that everything is just going to improve from there. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like. You can also share it around as well. And on that, take care, trade with care, manage your money well, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.